Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
This is 140, 150. I want to write the whole numbers. So far we've already understand minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. So it's only the whole number I'm going to be writing now. This is 200. 140 is ogoje. Or we call it oje, which means 20 times 7. Ogun méje. Ogun méje. And this one is 150. This one is 160. If this one is one ogoje, so this one will be àádọ́jọ. Àádọ́jọ. So it will now be àádọ́jọ will now be 160 minus 10. 160 minus 10. That is, we remove 10 from 160. That is when we now get àádọ́jọ. This is the dín-lọ́gọ́jọ. That is the meaning. Àádín-lọ́gọ́jọ. That is àádín-lọ́gọ́jọ. That is the meaning. So this one is 160 also, which is ọgọ́jọ. Ọgọ́jọ. It means 20 times 8, where we can find ogún mẹ́jọ. That is, you can find 20 in 8 places. Ogún mẹ́jọ. And this one, this one is 150. Àádọ́jọ. So when we see àádọ́jọ now, the next one will be àádọ́sán. 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 How do we get àádọ́sán? Àádọ́sán come from 180. Ọgọ́sán, that is 180 minus 10, which is this dín ogún mẹ́sàn-án. Ọgọ́sán dín lọ́gọ́sán. You can see mẹ́sàn-án. 1 ọ̀kan, 2 èjì, 3 ẹ̀ta, 4 ẹ̀rin, 5 àrún, 6 ẹ̀fà, 7 èje, 8 ẹ̀jọ, 9 ẹ̀ẹ́sàn, or mẹ́sàn-án, ìkẹsàn-án. And this one is 180. That is ọgọ́sàn. Ọgọ́sàn. What is ọgọ́sàn? That is 20 times 9. Where we can say this 20 times 9. Ogún mẹ́sàn. Ogún mẹ́sàn. Ogún mẹ́sàn. That is 20 times 9. That is the meaning. And ìsọjí púpọ̀, that is the multiplication sign. This is 190. So we can, when we say àádọ́sán, the next one is àádọ́wàá, but people do not usually call it àádọ́wàá. They will say igba. But I will write the two together now. Àádọ́wàá. Àádọ́wàá. You can add you can leave one single that is single a. So but they normally write igba. Àádọ́wàá, okay, àádọ́wàá, sorry. This is it. Àádọ́wàá. And what is the meaning of àádọ́wàá? That is 200 minus 10. And what is this one? Àádọ́wàá. And this one is mẹ́wàá. That is mẹ́wàá. Mẹ́wàá. You could remember I said that the 10 means mẹ́wàá. So we can say okay, there is where we see so let's write mẹ́wàá. Mẹ́wàá dín láàdọ́wàá. So but remember I say igba. Mẹ́wàá dín ní igba. So we can say mẹ́wàá dín igba. So this one now is àádọ́wàá. This one is àádọ́wàá. So this one will be ọgọ́wàá. Ọgọ́wàá. So but we normally say igba. Igba, that is 200. Igba, 200. Igba. The meaning is that 20 times 10. Ogún mẹ́wàá. Ogún mẹ́wàá. That is it. Ogún mẹ́wàá. I'm not going to write plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 again. So when I explain the whole number, you will understand that when I say that what is 161, you know that ókànlé, that is 160 plus 1. Ókànlélọ́gọ́jọ. If I say 84 now, you know that 180 plus 4. Mẹ́rìnlélọ́gọ́sàn. So there's no need for writing those one again. So we are now going for, okay, there's this. Now 120, we are going for 200 now. 201. When we get to 201, they will say ọ̀kànlélúgba. You know, I said that normally they do not call it igba, ọgọ́wàá, but we are just writing it, say ọgọ́wàá, but we normally call it igba. So I'm now going for 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. That is for the whole numbers. If this one is 200, let's say 300,